Good evening, it's Lily at the Reed Ranch. I took a shower and then I came outside and started digging my fingers in the dirt. So I have some planters and then I have the garden over there. That's a dog. This, you gotta love my weirdness. So this is leaf lettuce. You might see some pine cones. I'm trying to start my own pines. And one of them is working, but I planted a bunch of pine cones and the rest of them I'm just like talking to them. These are radishes. These are tomatoes that I started from seeds. This is leaf lettuce, and you might see pine cones and did I say the radishes? Because I tried to thin the radishes, and rather than just throw them out, I tried to transplant them. And some plants don't really dig each other, but this is what I wanted to show you. So I pulled this radish because I thought it was grown enough, and it's sweet and it's cute and that's fine, but this is what I want to show. So I pulled it and then it's too late because I would have actually liked to have had it get a little bit bigger. I just, with my fingers, ripped off the top. Can you see those leaves? I threw them in the yard. It's composting. And this is what I wanted to show you. So when you hear about, I think it's the microbiome or whatever. So when I was a child, growing all this stuff, I'd be playing around. I'd just go pick a strawberry and like rub it off on my shirt and eat it. So this, I did actually rinse water over it, but now I could eat this, but I don't want to. And so, I mean, I just splashed water over it. It is so good. Uh-oh. Hi. I have a vegetable eating dog. What you eating on? You want that? He will pick the vegetables and eat them. Don't mess with my... not my tomatoes, baby. He really likes to pick tomatoes.
I know.
Anyway, so that's how you eat a radish that you've grown. And just leave some dirt on it. It's fine. It actually makes you healthier. Yeah, did it grow up like this?